So now let's understand a few more properties of filter. Now, as we have already seen that filter is used in the graphical sections. Now let's see how can we use this filter stuff in the data preparation section. I mean, at the time of data preparation. Okay, so before that, let's see our data again. So this is the bus transport data, which is a date. What if we change it to, so this is a string. What if we change it to date and time? Okay. Oh, string. Yes. So now the data is looking very fine, right? We can use interpreter loading again to clean the data. Right. So now there is a filter available at the extreme right corner. Now we need to click on this filter, add. Now in this, which value needs to be added? So let's just cancel this. Cancel. Now I want to hide this ticket type. Obviously, it's very easy. I can just directly go and I can hide it from here as well. Right? But that's not the case. What if I need to hide only certain values from it? In that case, I can go to filter, add, and then I'll go to ticket type. Yes. I want to hide all the values that contains null. So I need to exclude it, all the null values and any values. Right? And I can just click on OK and OK. So there is not even a single value. So still I can find out some values which contains null over here. Card and yes, ticket. I need to select it till down to check if it contains any null value. Yes. So there are still null values. I can go again here. It was okay, add. I can click on this, edit, and again null needs to be included, right? Okay. Okay. Now you can see there is not any null values in the ticket type. And this data can directly be loaded into the data sources and we can create a visualization. Now, when we go over here, it's not necessary. So this exclude means these needs to be excluded. If we uncheck this, so only these data will be included. See, only these data will be included, right? This is one of the important property. Now, there is again a section which is wildcard. So let's say now we need to delete something which contains null. So what we'll do is we'll exclude this. We'll go to this wildcard. We'll select null. Okay. And we select OK. And then again OK. So that shows contains null, starts with null, exactly matches with null. Include only when empty. It's not showing it properly. Card. Right. So this means that it includes the thing which contains card only. Right. Edit. If we select include the values when empty, then what happens? Let's check out. Nothing happens. So by this, what I mean to explain is we can use these conditions, starts with, ends with, or exactly match. Now there's an exclude over here. What if we exclude this? So it should not show me something which is related. So that will exclude all the cards and will provide me only this value, right? So this is one of the important factor. I mean, instead of doing the same thing into the visualization and section, we can do the same thing over here. Now, apart from this, we do have conditions that we can put up. So let's say we want charges and the sum should be greater or equals to something, so the same thing can happen. Again, we can have this thing done by the formula as well. As we write in calculation field, we can write similar kind of formula and the same thing will work. Top 10 etc stuffs can be done. So in this case, what our main target was to understand this filter, how this filter works in these cases, right? Any specific value can again be in the we can hide any specific values internally in the row. Now